Shield Plus, baby.
Okay. Okay.
2 out of 3. 2 out of 3.
Ain't bad.
Hey, that 80%. That
Okay.
80%.
Hey, you passed the test.
We call that 80, 90%.
Iron sight.
Safe and clear. Hey. What I say about my Shield Plus?
Good. I got long ass fingers. Like my long ass fingers on a gun like this, I really need a little bit more space. As far as shooting it, and the comfortability, the comfort, y'all know what the fuck I'm trying to say. All right, so with the double stack, as you can see, it does make it a little fatter in the back. She got a little ass. I know you heard a Coke bottle. She got a little ass.
Got a
you know
BBL back there.
Yeah, nah, she ain't no BBL. That's when you throw that beaver tail. If you throw a beaver tail on a Glock, that's a BBL. You know what I'm saying? Because you adding ass to it.
Go. On you, man.
All right, you ready? Go.
Don't
tell nobody.
The fuck?
What the hell?
What the hell? What the?
Yeah, I'm out, man. Dang.
Hey, I think he might need this 26. I don't know. Everybody don't fuck with the 26, but he might need the 26. I don't know now.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it!
Hey, he might need it. He might need it. Are you ready? All right. Let's go.
I gotta hit one on before we go.
Oh yeah. Get it right. Oh.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Stop it! Don't shoot that little motherfucker no more.
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy. Yeah, y'all already know, man. AK gang, no brace. She ain't got no ass. She a flat butt.
Condition is called no ass syndrome, otherwise known as posterior pelvic tilt.
You know what I'm saying? We legal, and we ain't trying to register shit. But anyway, got the 9 mil. Finna let this thing go a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Gonna catch that.
Yeah.
Sir. We hot.
Woo! Killing the plate, man. Bada bop boom pow.
Yeah, gonna get some of this, man.
You know what? I'm gonna let you get some, bro. Get some. Let me get some.
Draco, 9S.
Yeah, Drake.
Yeah. About to go get it.
I better hear some.
Hey. Ping, ping, ping.
What did he say?
Ping. Ping. Ping.
Yeah.
That boy is good.
Yo.
Oh, we out. Yes.
Non-stop.
Y'all see that hollow son? The hollow son did his job. Yes, sir.
Shoo.
Draco 9S. Put them 7.6 tools up.
Yeah, we gotta get big brother.
Winchester, 1300 Defenders.
Winchester, 1300. Defense. Don't forget the defense.
This thing got me fucked up.
Man, show him what you do. Aw, shit. Oh, nigga. It's back here. It's back there.
Oh, hold on. We good. But, hey, I said I was gonna knock that head off.
Damn, boy. That's what I'm talking about, Jake. My nigga, are y'all watching this?
Yeah.
This is good. We good, baby. Winchester.
Get on the ground.
Yeah, boy. Looks like a defender to me.
Go. Shooter ready? Go. Almost.
Say these right here be jamming. We about to find out. What we got in here? How many we got in here?
You got 10. If you need to load it up, load it up.
We got
man.
10 in
They
here.
be,
Now,
they be
that's all we
talking
need.
shit.
That's
They be
all we
talking
need
shit
is
about
10.
the
We about to find out. Got that stick in there? Oh no. Let's try that again. That's one.
Yeah, I think it's just the magazine.
Okay. That's it. Yeah, we have no lock back, but hey, one hiccup with the ETS mag. Not bad, just one hiccup. They say these jammers, but peanut butter, one jam. Crispy.
Sheesh Louise. Man, put that thing up for you heard some.
But I ain't gonna hurt nobody. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do it.
Okay. How many shots was that, man?
Oh,
Cause you was
I didn't
ringing.
miss none. So
Bro, you was ringing.
That's 6. No, that's 12 shots.
12 shots.
Didn't miss none.
Oh yeah, you earned that. You
Practice
earned
made perfect. Remember that, kids? One of my subscribers asked me how this Draco 9S shoots. Let's find out.
boy is good.
Have my brother call out some shots.
Yes, sir.
See if I can hit whatever number he calling out.
All right, let's go.
What you got? What you got, bro?
All right, we finna go 8 right, 8 7, 8 7.
On the right?
Between 8 and 7.
On the right?
Yep, right 8 7.
Oh, I'm
Come on, you can't close. Right 8 7. Same spot. There you go. All right. 6 7. 6 7 top.
Where?
We'll do we'll do 8 9 top.
8 9 top.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do 8 7 left.
8 7 left.
Yep. Going around the board. We're going around the board. Alright. One more.
Same spot. That's close enough. That's
Yeah,
close
that's
enough.
good. Alright. We're gonna do 7 and 6. 7 6 bottom.
7 6 bottom.
Yep, come on, let's see what we got. Come on. Okay.
Third shot.
Hey, we'll ride with that one on the first one. Alright. We're gonna get top. Same spot up top.
7 6.
Yep. Alright, get
7.
another one in there.
I got 7. Keep going.
Yeah, get another one in there. Okay, that's what we need right there.
I'm
Y'all
out.
see it?
I'm out. I'm out.
Y'all
As,
see it?
as y'all can see right there, your boy can shoot. You know what I'm saying? Your boy can shoot. Don't put your head on your boy. Shut the fuck up!
Use this 13 round extended magazine because it give me that full grip on the firearm. Like I said, I got real man hands. I can still grip it, just a little meat hanging over at the bottom. Pause.
Shut your stupid ass up.
You a good grip on that also gives you that full purchase on the firearm. Like I said, I got real man hands again. Little meat hanging over, but not much. Pause if necessary again.
Son of a...
About to let bro get some shots out the Hellcat Pro. See what he think about it. He gonna let y'all know what's up. See if he like it and all that good stuff. Let go. Okay. He ain't never shot a red dot before, so I'm used to a red dot. Them red dots ain't easy to get used to. Get right. Not bad. What you think about it?
Pretty good, it ain't bad. A little snappy, but I just gotta get it covered. Once I get that good grip, I'll be better.
Would you cop it?
It's a cop.
My nigga.
I like Springfield. Call me a Springfield fanboy if you want. Don't knock it till you try it. Better than a brick.